Hello children, we have heard so many fairy tales. Today we have a new fairy tale with us, Puss in the Boots. Heard this tale? I am sure many of you might have and many of you might not have. So very briefly I'll tell you, this is about a cat who behaved like human beings and was so clever that she ensured that her master became rich, powerful and married a beautiful princess. So let's dive into this story straight away. A miller had 3 sons. At his deathbed he said, the eldest will get the mill, the middle the donkey and the youngest will take the cat. Now do you know who is a miller? A miller is actually one who works with the corns that we grow in the field. Okay. Now the younger one felt, it's injustice to me. I have got something useless. I don't want you. Go away. This is what he told his cat. Obviously, the eldest got the mill, whereas the middle one got the donkey, and he got just a cat. He felt, what will he do with the cat? But the cat spoke like humans, and the cat said, Master, don't talk like that. Give me a pair of boots and a sack and see what I can do for you. You know what is a sack? A pouch like this. So Puss in Boots, I don't understand what you're going to do. This is what the youngest son said after he gave the sack and the boots to his cat, whom he called Puss. So the cat replied, you will never repent owning me. My master has sent me a gift for the king. Let me in. What happened was that this cat actually caught a rabbit from the forest and he took it to the king. So to the guards he said, my master has sent me a gift for the king. Let me in. So the guard let him in. He said, please go in. My master has sent you this nice gift. Imagine the cat behaving like a human being and out of the sack giving this rabbit to the king. I like rabbits so much. Who's your master? Peter, the Earl of Devonshire. Now we know that Puss's master was the youngest son of a miller. He was no earl at all. But how was the king to know? So he said, I have never heard of him. Still, pay him my thanks and kind regards. So the cat went away. Now the Puss in Boots visited the king daily to give him the gifts of pheasants, rabbits and partridges. You know what are pheasants and partridges? Different types of birds. One day the king said, I am so grateful to your master. I want to pay him a visit. So the cat said, the Earl of Devonshire will be all too happy to have you as his guest, sir. Big problem. We know Puss's master is just the youngest son of the miller with nothing else in his name. But the Puss, that is the cat, had lied to the king and called him an earl. Now let us see what this clever cat will do. So the king asked, where does he live? Puss in Boots gave the address of a magnificent castle of the Wizard of Hyena. Sir, as you drive along the river and through the fields, you will come to a magnificent castle. That's where my master lives. So the next day, the cat came up with another idea. So Puss told his master, take out all these old clothes and take a bath in the river. Now when the master went into the river to take his bath, Puss thought, I must hide these clothes here. So he hid those clothes behind a huge rock. That time, the king's carriage was driving near the river. So Puss told the king, my master has had his clothes stolen. He has nothing to wear now. Now what's happening is, the master is having a bath. The cat, that is the Puss, has hidden his clothes. But how is the master or the king to know what's happening? Let's see what happens next. अब पस ने जो झूठ बोला वो ना तो उसके मास्टर को पता था ना किंग को। किंग ने सोचा शायद वाकई जो पस है उसके मास्टर के कपड़े कोई चुरा ले गया है। तो किंग का क्या रिस्पॉन्स था? गिव हिम द स्पेयर ड्रेस। नाउ जो मास्टर था, he dressed in those new and beautiful clothes. When the princess saw him, she said, "You are very handsome." Obviously, he was delighted and he thanked the princess, saying, "Thank you." So the puss had actually told all the farmers nearby कि king जब जाएगा तो क्या बोलना है। क्या instructions दिए थे? आइए जानिए। Listen, the king will pass here in some time. Tell him that these fields belong to the Earl of Devonshire. So actually जब वो कैरेज वहाँ फील्ड्स के पास से जा रहा था तो किंग ने पूछा उस फार्मर से, Who do these fields belong to? अब जैसे उस फार्मर को पस ने समझाया था, उसने क्या कहा? This field and all the fields as far as you can see, your excellency, belong to the Earl of Devonshire. So the king thought, Really? Then you must be a very rich man. So what was the miller's son's answer? These fields give a lot of produce. उसने भी सच नहीं बताया. He went along with what the story the cat had given to the king and others nearby. जब ये कैरेज से जा रहे थे उस टाइम पे पस क्या कर रहा था, क्योंकि इनके साथ तो था नहीं कैरेज में. So in the meanwhile, Puss in Boots reached the castle. अभी किसका कासल था? किसका कासल था? हाइना का. वो एक बहुत बड़ा मैजिशियन था, the Earl of Haina. So Puss talked to the Earl of Haina and he said, I suppose you can change yourself into any creature. So the Earl of Haina said, No doubt about that. उसने अपने आप को एक बड़े से एनिमल में कन्वर्ट कर लिया, जिसे देखकर कि पस डर गया. ठीक है, तो अर्ल ऑफ हाइना वापस अपनी पुरानी शक्ल में वापस आकर के क्या बोला? यू नीड नॉट बी फ्राइटन्ड, कम इन. जानते हैं ये क्या है? जब किसी को अपनी शक्ति के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइड होता है और कोई उसको चैलेंज कर दे तो उसको मन करता है कि मैं अपनी शक्तियाँ दिखाऊं. यही अर्ल ऑफ हाइना के साथ हुआ. जब पस ने पूछा कि आप शायद अपने आप को किसी भी शेप में चेंज कर सकते हैं, तो उसने अपने आप को एक बड़े से जानवर में कन्वर्ट करा. चलिए देखें अब आगे क्या हुआ. That's impressive, but all magicians can do this simple trick. I have heard it's impossible to become a small creature like. Nothing is impossible for me. अब ये देख रहे हैं पस ने क्या किया? उसने अर्ल ऑफ हाइना को दोबारा चैलेंज किया. अरे ये जादू तो आसान है. मैंने सुना है कि आप जैसे मैजिशियंस जो हैं ना, वो अपने आप को छोटे से जानवर में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. ऑब्वियसली अर्ल ऑफ हाइना गुस्सा हो गया. उसने कहा मैं सब कर सकता हूँ. सो पस ने कहा, शो मी इफ यू कैन बिकम अ माउस इन नो टाइम. एंड इन नो टाइम व्हाट हैपेंड? द अर्ल ऑफ हाइना changed himself into a small mouse. अब ये तो हम सब जानते हैं कि माउस कैट से कितना छोटा होता है. सो जो बाद में हुआ वो तो होना ही था. Puss in Boots the cat killed the mouse who was actually the Earl of Haina. पर उसने अपने आप को छोटा सा चूहा बना लिया था, इसलिए पस ने उसको शिकार करके ख़त्म कर दिया. अब क्या हुआ कि मीनवाइल जो किंग है अपनी प्रिंसेस और अर्ल ऑफ डेवनहार, जो एक्चुअल में अर्ल नहीं था बट हु नोस, उनके साथ कासल पहुंचा. सो द पस वेलकम्ड हिम सेइंग, योर मैजेस्टी इज वेलकम एट द कासल ऑफ द अर्ल ऑफ डाउनहार. देख रहे हैं कैसे उनका वेलकम कर रहा है. यू आर द मोस्ट स्प्लेंडेड कपल ऑन द अर्थ. जैसे ही अर्ल ऑफ डेवनहार, जो कि एक्चुअल में मिलर का छोटा बेटा था, उसने प्रिंसेस को हेल्प करा कैरेज से उतरने में, तो किंग को लगा कि दे आर मेकिंग अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल कपल. सो देन ही सेड, आई थिंक यू मस्ट मैरी सून. तो क्या होना था फिर? अर्ल ऑफ डेवनहार, जो कि जेन्युइनली तो पहले मिलर का बेटा था बट अब अर्ल बन चुका था, क्योंकि अर्ल ऑफ हाइना को पस ने मार दिया, उसका कासल किसको मिला? मिलर के बेटे को. सो ही बिकेम द अर्ल ऑफ डेवनहार. उनकी और प्रिंसेस की शादी हो गई. एंड आफ्टर देयर मैरिज ऑल ऑफ देम, द अर्ल ऑफ डेवनहार, द प्रिंसेस हिज वाइफ एंड पस इन द बूट्स लिव्ड हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर. थी ना मज़ेदार कहानी? तो हमने क्या देखा कि कोई भी छोटा या बड़ा अगर समझदार हो, वाइज हो, क्लेवर हो, तो वो किसी को भी हरा सकता है और कुछ ना होते हुए भी अपने पास बहुत कुछ बना सकता है. आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस स्टोरी.